And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, in my last video I mentioned how I'd made an order to Shearline, 3 items. They sent me 3 items, but one of them was not the one I'd ordered. It was more expensive, and I already got one. So that arrived Thursday. I ordered Monday. It came on time. I called Friday and I talked with Kat, and I told her what had happened. And she said that the part I ordered would be going out that day, along with an RMA sticker for, aha, the return merchandise shipping label. Now, like I was saying, they sent me a more expensive part than I ordered. And I already had the one they sent me. What I ordered was this. The Shearline milling vise rotating base fixture. And just slide right in here. And I gotta crank them down good and tight. Be right back. There we go. I'm back. With one of these here, gonna, hey, close enough. Nope, not close enough. Okay. Ah. Okay. Now, I have the exact right Allen wrench for this. And it and 4 others just like it are out in the shop. I've been out there already today. It's cold. So I'm just going to break these 1032 Allen screws loose with my mini vice grips. That mini enough for you, and they're genuine vice grips. Well, no, they're just locking pliers, I guess. They don't have any brand name stamped on them. Come on, you. Behave. There we go. Okay, now. Hey, got it halfway on. There we go. It's mounted, you see. And what this does is this pivots. It rotates. That's what it rotates 360 degrees. So you can set this at any angle to perpendicular or parallel. Or is that parallel? No, is that perpendicular or parallel? Yeah. Anyway, very desirable part. I've been wanting one for a while. Finally, I decided I deserve rotating vice base. Vice base. The part number 3570. Here's now these Shine Products information sheets. You have to buy something really small, inconsequential, like a screw or a drive belt from Shearline, and not get one of these. They like you to know everything about that part you just bought. I think that's rather nice. I really do. There are so many people that want your money. They won't tell you nothing. Not even their address once they have your money. You know where that's going, don't you? Yeah. So anyway, Shearline Products. Quick, efficient, and when they do make a boo-boo, like that, just say, hey man, snivel a little bit, and I mean, that's what I want. Quick, efficient, and responsive to the customer. So that was the unboxing. Next video, I'm probably going to get out in the shop and machine a pulley. It's so cold out there. The last time I was out there, after blowing the circuit breaker, I went out there the next trip out and I couldn't get warm. I had to put on my long johns and this shirt and a jacket, and I was still cold, and I had the heater that far from my left knee, full blast. It's cold out there. This is going to be a very brutal winter. Yes, it will. And then when you add in COVID and the economic upturn, world-round economic upturn, because people are dying or staying home. Not much work's getting done. People talk about the supply chain. Well, me, I got supply web, but my supply web looked like someone took a shotgun full of bird shot to it. So anyway, I'm going to go for now. In a couple, 3 days, I'm going to get out in the shop and machine another pulley. And I want you to stay safe. You understand me? Stay safe. Wear a mask. Stay home as much as possible. Stranger comes too close to you, hit him with your walking stick. Your life is more important than that idiot's proximity desire for you. Protect yourself. Good night from California.